Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Satriani from the Department of Civil and Structural Engineering, Hasanuddin University of Indonesia. Today, I am pleased to present our study entitled Pozzolanic Reactivity of Palm Oil Fuel Ash, Insight from Strength Contribution and Strength Activity Index. This research addresses one of the most urgent global issues, the environmental impact of cement production, which contributes about 8% of global carbon dioxide emissions. Therefore, exploring low-carbon supplementary cementitious materials is essential for sustainable construction. Among available SGMs, palm oil fuel ash or POFA is a promising option. It is abundantly generated as byproduct from palm oil mills in Southeast Asia and contains around 55% amorphous silica. However, conventional POFA is a coarse and inconsistent, requiring energy-intensive to grinding to achieve a sufficient reactivity. In this study, we propose a low-energy approach using shift ultrafine POFA with 100% passing the ASTM number 325 shifts or lower than 45 micron to assess whether it can exhibit adequate pozzolanic reactivity without any grinding process. From literature review, we identified several gaps. There are limited studies on shift ultrafine POFA without grinding. A few investigations of long-term pozzolanic reactivity, more than 90 days. Lack of integrated evaluation combining mechanical performance, strength activity index, pozzolanic index, and SEM analysis. The objectives of this study are to evaluate the compressive strength, development of 10% and 20% POFA mortars. Quantify the strength activity index according to ASTM C918. Compute the pozzolanic contribution index and examine microstructural morphology using SEM. Mortar mix were prepared with ordinary Portland cement, natural sand, and shift POFA. The mix design consists of 500 grams of binder ordinary Portland cement, 1,375 grams of sand, and 242 milliliters of water, giving a water binder ratio of 0.484. Three mixtures were tested. The first control with 0% POFA that use 100% of ordinary Portland cement, 10% POFA and 20% POFA cement replacement. Specimens were cured for 7, 28, and 90 days. The test following ASTM C109 for compressive strength and ASTM C918 for strength activity index. Pozzolanic contribution was determined from the ratio of pozzolanic strength to total mix strength. From the figure 1 presents the compressive strength trend. At 7 days, POFA mixtures show a slightly lower strength due to the dilution effect. Less cement available for early hydration. However, by 90 days, both POFA mixtures surpassed the control. The mixture control have 33.9 MPa, and then 1000 POFA have 39.05 MPa, and then 20% POFA have 35.09 MPa. This improvement reflects the secondary JSH formation resulting from pozzolanic reactions, confirming the long-term strength potential of shift POFA. The strength activity index indicates the performance of POFA compared to the control mix. On the figure 2, we can see the strength activity index to the compressive strength. The results show that strength activity index was around 90% at 7 days, and then 75% at 28 days, and above 100% at 90 days. For both POFA, for 10% and 20% POFA. The 10% POFA mixture achieved 107.3%, the highest strength activity index, meeting the exceeding the ASTM C618 acceptance criterion. It's then more than 75%. The result confirming that sieving alone is sufficient to activate the pozzolanic reactivity of POFA. The pozzolanic contribution quantifies the portion of total strength derived from pozzolanic reaction. At 7 days, p-values were negligible, reflecting cement hydration dominance. At 28 days, pozzolan increased to above 5 to 13%, and at 90 days, it reached 19 to 23%, particularly in 20% POFA. This progressive increase demonstrates strong long-term pozzolanic activity as silica in POFA react with calcium hydroxides, producing additional GSH gel that densifies the matrix. On figure 3 presents same image comparing ordinary Portland cement and POFA. Ordinary Portland cement particles are angular and dense, while POFA particles are spherical, porous, and rock textured. The spherical morphology improves particle packing and provides nucleation site for GSH formation, leading to a denser and more durable matrix. These microstructural observations confirm the mechanical findings and support the chemical mechanism of pozzolanic reaction in SIFT POVA. The summary of this paper is ultrafine SIFT POVA is an effective SGM. Low energy saving enhanced eco-efficiency compared to grinding. 10% POVA shows the best mechanical and environmental balance with a strength activity index 107%. Pozzolani contribution accounts for approximately 23% of total strength. And then the material supports Indonesia's green construction agenda toward carbon reduction. The conclude of this presentation is SIFT ultrafine POVA lower than 45 micron meets ASTM C918 requirements. Early strength reduction is recovered by 28 days. 10% POVA achieves optimum performance with strength 39.05 MPa with strength activity index 107%. Pozzolani contribution raises up to 23.4% at 90 days. This approach offer a low energy, sustainable pathway, and reducing cement consumption and also carbon dioxide emissions. This research was supported by Center of Higher Education Funding and Assessment, the Indonesia Endowment Fund for Education, and the Ministry of Higher Education, Science and Technology, Republic of Indonesia. We would also like to thank the Structural and Material Laboratory of Hasanuddin University for the technical support. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.